is the Kodak Alaris S2050, and today I'll be showing you how to scan documents of varying sizes, such as down to checks, all the way up to 8.5 by 11 documents. Once your scanner is plugged in, to turn it on, you're going to press and hold the power button for 1 second. It'll flash and initialize. And after you've installed your drivers to your computer, you're ready to plug in the USB cord and start your scan. So we have some documents to scan. What we want to do is adjust the scanner to be able to scan the documents properly. So we're going to pull this out, the input tray and the output tray as well. And then based on the width of the document, we're going to adjust the guides also. So we'll start with it all the way out. Paper orientation will be face down and front towards the back of the scanner. Push it down, adjust the guides one more time, get it ready to scan. Once you're ready to scan and your documents are already in the scanner, we'll want to select the proper Smart Touch scanner option from the drop down here. We can push the options to go back and forth to the proper one. Once you have it selected, you'll push the triangle, which is the scan button, to start the scan. To scan your smaller size documents, very similar procedure. We'll just adjust the guides to the right size for the smaller documents. Again, we're going to pick our proper preset setting in the scanner options, and then also hit the start button. And this concludes the demo of scanning with the Kodak Alaris S2050 Scanner.